Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can import a MetaHuman and make it playable. So let's go. First of all, this is an update video for Unreal Engine 5.5.4 and the current version of MetaHumans. We use the third-person template, as you can see. If you don't have it, you can just click Add Feature or Content Pack and select the third-person template. Then we want to import a MetaHuman. For this we open up the Quixel Bridge. Of course, the Quixel Bridge is moved to Fab, but the MetaHumans are still inside the Quixel Bridge. We select the MetaHuman of our choice. I select this person here, Trey, and then we just hit download. I already did it, and then we just click add. You will notice the dialog. We hit import, and then we select the classic MetaHuman SKM many here and hit import. Now we got a new folder called MetaHumans. We open this up, open the person, in this case Trey, and open up the blueprint tray. It will ask to activate some plugins. We do that, and then we restart the engine. Back inside the Unreal Engine, we open up the blueprint tray again and go straight to the viewport. Then we select the class settings here and select the parent class to our third person character. Then we select the root and move it to the mesh. Then we reset the location and the rotation to fix the direction here, as you can see. And then we just go down to the live retarget and we activate the use live retarget mode to true. Then we select the mesh, search for visible, check the always tick pose and refresh bones, and uncheck the visible. In the past that was all that you need to do, but now we have some additional steps. So we go back to our level here, go back to our MetaHuman folder, common, animation, retargeting. And then we open up this retarget MetaHuman. We need to select the source, in this case our mannequin here. Then we hit running retarget. As you can see, we need to fix the pose. We go to character, bones, and select the all here. Then we need to select this whole arm here and fix the pose like that. And we do it for the other arm as well, like that. Then we save this one and we can close this. Go back to our level and select the animation blueprint here. Go back to our MetaHuman, open up the details, select the body and hit this arrow here to fit in the animation class. And as you can see, now the animation is fixed. We compile and save this, open up the project settings, maps and modes, and select our default pawn class to our MetaHuman. And then we hit play. We have our MetaHuman, we can move around, the animation works perfectly. Great! So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.